Hi friends, this is what is. I'm going to do a variety kind of omelette now. Friends, always use iron or indolium kadai, the kind of tawa. Don't use non-sticky ones like this. Very dangerous they are. So use these kinds of tawas to get good doses or omelets, whatever it is. So non-stick are very dangerous, so don't use them. I've lighted the stove and then poured some oil. I'm going to make a variety kind of omelette which will be very tasty and good and very stylish also for looks. Okay, it is cheese and then the kind of vegetables loaded one. You can take any random cheese like this, mozzarella cheese cubicles, or the kind of what do you say, um, grated. So first sprinkle some of the vegetables like cabbage and then onions and then tomatoes. When you pour some butter or oil, peanut oil I prefer, ghee, whatever it is you want to pour on the tawa to get very good omelette. And then take some spices, add some spices whatever you like this. If you want more you can add more, or less you can add less. And then some salt for taste as per your senses. And then this is very important, this is what is turmeric. As you take it, and then take this kind of eggs, 3 eggs beaten, and then pour carefully over the vegetables to cover up so that they'll cover the whole thing, like this. Then place breads which are cut like this vertically, place them carefully, put in simmer now the stove, place them carefully because you have to roll it up to make a round kind of. Don't keep here because you have got to roll. Whatever you keep, you have to keep a vertical because you have to roll it up. If omelette is big, you keep like this. Don't keep horizontally, keep only vertical. So be keeping like this, vertical. Place them vertical, guys, always, so that you can roll the omelette. So the omelette is getting cooked. It should get cooked up also like this. And whatever tukdas you have, you just sprinkle them. The powder of the bread, when you're cutting, you'll get that one. And then now, guys, you know what you're going to do. You're going to spread some cheese, which is in cubicles or grated way. Cubicles like this, grated way, whichever you find better. It should be a powdery thing of thing, not soap powder, but a little cut one. This is cheddar cheese which I am spreading. So when you roll it up, automatically it will get cooked and it will spread like anything. Or you can, after rolling, keep this in air fryer, friends. See this amazing omelette, red omelette, you can say 2 slices and 3 omelets quantity this is. Now what you need to do is carefully try rolling this. Yoo-hoo! This is such an amazing omelette. You have to press here because another hand I'm using to the kind of holding the camera. So you have to press it here like this, guys, and this is how you'll be getting. And I'm going to roll it up. I need a break because I'm holding with one hand kind of camera. I can't seriously roll this. I need another hand, so I'm stopping it here. After rolling it, you can keep this in your air fryer to get more packed with cheese. Cheese will automatically pack it. Okay, try this. Keep rocking, guys. Good morning and have a good breakfast. This I'm taking and making for the kind of breakfast, and it is very very good because it has got lot of vegetables. And here's a quick tip for you. See, this is what is swastik. You have to put swastik behind your stove so that you'll be getting Annapurnas, Ma Annapurnas, wives always, and you have abundance and infinite of food in your life. Do this, take good vibes, keep rocking. Bye bye for now. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. Kavita Balaji here. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.